South India. Most of the actresses, they wear my dress for lots of events in South India, like Saima and all the award shows. I designed for lots of people in South, basically. And now I'm debuting in Bombay with Kashish as being the first here.
Okay, what's there in your mind when this whole initiative happened? When you talk about fashion, Mumbai is a hub.
Yes, Mumbai is. In fact, I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, and that's what I shifted to Europe. I designed for a couple of European design houses, and that's how I went to Bangalore because to debut, like my sister was there, and I launched in, and it went for a hit in Bangalore. It's almost 5 years I've been there, so now I want to actually come back to my home in Bombay and start designing for people here.
Okay, any, as you said, you design for the actress people.
South actresses.
Any actor from Bollywood you want to design something more?
I love Sonam Kapoor. The reason being she's very fashionable and very stylish. I think any designer would like to design for her because she carries all her clothes with complete oomph, like factor. She has something in. She does complete justice to a designer's creation.
Okay, do you think it will be a good start of visibility for a designer before you are here on a such? There's so many designers.
Definitely, yes. It is very much important to showcase your collection at the multi-designer store, and because not people, even the normal crowd gets to see your collection. Plus, even the actresses, and by being the hub, I think any designer would love to design here.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Photo.
Come close. Closer. Center. Look somewhere. Tell us how you're here.
I'm here because we've been kind of spreading the word on our web series that's coming up. It's called All About Section 377. And as you all know that this is a very hot topic going on currently in the news scenario where there's a population of 2.5 million who are fighting for their freedom of choice, freedom for love. And that's what web series talks about. It talks about that everybody should be having an equal right to love in our country and we should not be denying that. And we've had a great decision that's been taken by the Supreme Court, I think on Tuesday. They have passed on and they have opened the curative petition for 8 curative pleas for this, and that's happened. And we're glad that we've made this web series at the right time. And I'm hoping that the decision makers have a look at it and probably decide as to what to do about it.
Okay, apart from Manoj Bajpayee is coming this, that is Aligarh. It's also based on the same subject.
Sure.
What's your take? What's your view that is it some similarity between the web series which you're doing or the film which is already about to be?
Okay, so basically that's a fabulous trailer. I have had a look at it, and it's a true story that's happened in the past. So ours is basically not based on a particular story or a particular person. It is basically a web series that talks about the youth of today. It's a very current topic, whereas Aligarh is talking about senior professor. We are basically harping around the new generation, what they go through and how they feel. So it's a very youth-centric series. It's very colorful, bright, as well as emotional, and it kind of highlights every aspect of the current scenario in a modern society. So that's what is the difference between them. Obviously, that's a film and this is a web series, so the similarity pretty much ends there.
Okay, tell us. It's also part of the web series,
Yeah, it's an amazing because nowadays people they're into minds because they're not correctly educated about what Section 377 is, and when people watch this they will realize that people who come under LGBT sections are not any different from us, and it's just a matter of choice who you can love, and I think that should be a free option for everyone.
I mean, apart from this, there are verdicts coming from Supreme Court, there are changes, there are the central government changes,
Sure.
What do you expect from the current government? Don't you think there's a need of the government, especially the central government, should come ahead and take this issue?
Absolutely. I think that this should have been done very long back. I think why are we staying in something that happened in the 18th century? I think this should have been dismissed very long back, and this shouldn't have been a matter of such a big discussion. I think there are other things that the country needs to focus on, and something a basic feeling that is coming across to somebody. This is something I feel that it's a very natural thing. They've been calling it this is unnatural and stuff. Love is something which comes from within. It's a very natural feeling. So I don't think that there's a need also to even kind of bring such a big issue, because I'm sure that everybody has many other things to take care of, and I think basic thing is that just let people be, let them live the way they want to, let them love the person they want to, let them sleep with whoever they want to. I mean, that's none of our business.
Okay, so Joy Ghosh started, a short on web, post Sujoy Ghosh, so many chronicles who are turning to web, turning social media.
Sure.
Even Ron CP is doing a series.
Yeah.
Do you think it will be a big platform when you talk about these seven?
Absolutely. See, I feel that something that comes from the internet does not have to go through the scissors of the censor, and I think there's a lot of freedom of expression that comes about. So definitely I feel that the web series is a trend that's kind of catching up, it is definitely meant for an educated audience, because unless they're educated, they cannot go on the web. And I feel that the trend that has started is going to pick up, and it is a trend that's coming in from the West. I mean, there are 1,000 web series that we've seen coming from the West. So I think this is the next big thing that's going to happen. And I think that 4G is also going to be coming now. So it's going to be a sad time for television, I think. So this is the next big thing, and Section 377 being such a bold topic, I felt that I wanted everybody to watch it, especially the youth, because they are the future flow. And what better than the internet?
Thank you so much. Thank you. What?
But I'm coming back to Lakme. You'll be
Everybody's ready, they've just wait to say this. I think everyone is standing up. The designer and model gets it. Is the voice there in the recording?
माइक बाद में करेंगे साथ में.
Okay. So, yes.
So this is Barney's creation. It's very pretty, it's golden. I think the wedding season is in nowadays, and everyone is looking for something classy and subtle. And this just does the purpose, solves the purpose for Barney
Thank
now.
you. So my collection is named as Royal Gold. So it's basically my purpose to make the collection was to make it more of a vintage piece. So every piece you pick out will be, wearable even after 5 years or 10 years from now. So, and I have sort of included all sort of traditional imageries and give it a very modern look. So like a fusion piece. So I hope you enjoy that.
Do you think it's a good start doing making on display here in Mumbai?
Yes, absolutely. Like Mumbai is the fashion hub, and such a beautiful place, and so many people love fashion here. So I feel, yes, it's an amazing place.
Okay, tell us how come you are here.
Well, I'm here for the OP This Beautiful. I've just entered it. I've not even seen the garments, but I'm here to encourage and congratulate the designers who will get us some more innovative and beautiful clothes to wear.
Okay, there are numerous people, numerous designers. Somebody's from Kolkata.
Right.
So one tradition of the traditional dress you have to wear to buy.
Well, a traditional dress that I would like to. Well, I like to wear sarees, but to keep it something different, I would say a nice link something. Sorry.
Apart from this, which is there on the pipeline? Are you excited?
Well, I'm quite excited about that because I'm quite excited about it because the film has come out really well, and I'm sure anybody who will watch the film will be able to connect to it, and it'll be an exciting film to watch.
What's the most difficult part when working on Love Shida?
Well, on Love Shida, Nothing was very difficult, but I think because we were shooting outdoors, so there was certain circumstances and sometimes weather or some basic things that everybody had to face. Nothing so difficult only for me. If it was difficult, it was for the entire team.
Okay, doing a lovemaking scene, is there a film?
Well, there are no such scenes in the film. Don't worry.
Okay, so how do you see this story, Love Sudha? We've seen, Bollywood deliver in a year this film which is based on this. This now another one which is coming from Bar and that is Love Sudha. How different is the love story from the other?
Well, mostly what we see, there are films where there's an antagonist, is a villain in the film. Our film doesn't have a villain, it's an antagonist. There are certain situations that youth face today, and that is, how do you overcome that? And you still be Love Sudha is the story of a film, and it will be different from the rest of the films because it is very much today. It is not an old love story, it is what happens today. It has happened with everybody. In fact, even I would say with my parents, it might have happened, or you or your parents, it might have happened. Anybody will be able to connect to this film. It is a very different film. They're a love story, in fact.
Okay, apart from this, the film is about to release. Are you nervous?
Am I nervous? No, not really. I think my nervousness period is already over, and I have done it. And now it's time for the result to come out, so I'm excited about it.
The promo, the teaser is appreciated, and the response is really good. Don't you think the nervousness by beating myself? Because, when people started taking your promo, yours are, on a positive note, the response goes up, and you start expecting, there'll be much more to come once the film is there.
Well, that excitement is definitely there. That nervousness might come on the last day of the release. I haven't faced the nervousness. In fact, everybody, Girish has done his first film with Mr. Prabhu Deva. So, in fact, when he was sharing his experience of his last, he was so nervous on the last day on the day of the release. So I think maybe that is when it'll hit me that my film's coming out tomorrow morning. So, but right now I think yes, expectations are, and as people like the trailer more and more, and it is appreciated more. So yes, again the responsibility goes up, and the expectations become much higher. So I think I just hope that I will be to stand up to it.
Do you agree with? Do you think it's a start in Bollywood with Love Sudha?
Well, of course it is I always wanted to do a love story. I mean, my first film should be a love story. That's what I wanted to do. And Love Sudha is the film, and I think it will do good for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.